The Kuttamperur River in Alappuzha, Kerala has been rejuvenated after over a 6-year effort through public participation and government intervention. River rejuvenation is a process of restoring the natural flow and health of a river that has been damaged due to human activities. India is home to some of the world's largest rivers, such as the Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra, which are facing severe degradation due to human activities such as industrial pollution and waste dumping. India is facing a severe water crisis, with many regions facing acute water scarcity, especially during the summer months. The degradation of rivers has had a significant impact on the environment, including the loss of biodiversity. Flooding caused by rivers during the monsoon season is a significant problem in India, resulting in loss of life and property. Therefore, the need for river rejuvenation in India is essential to ensure the well-being of both the environment and human society.